Hi, here is a quick demo of Real Estate CRM software. In this, I'll be covering the end-to-end functions of Real Estate CRM software available with Solid Performance CRM. With the help of Solid Performance Real Estate Management CRM software, you can easily manage all your enquiries, site visits, customers, payment voucher, projects as well as property details, and you can also manage the support ticket and finances. With Solid Performance CRM, you can be able to create multiple reports and you can add users with various user roles. I'll be covering the end-to-end functions in this demo video. Moving on to dashboard, with Solid Performance you can have two types of dashboard. One is the default dashboard which is available in the system already, and you can also create multiple custom dashboards as per your requirement. For example, if you want to create a separate dashboard for enquiry along with the stage and status based graphs of enquiry, then you can easily create that. In a similar way, if you want to have a separate dashboard for customers, you can create that. We have provided you with the options to create multiple custom dashboards in the settings panel. If you consider the default dashboard, you can define the target for a user and the achievement of the target also will be displayed here. You'll also get to know how many leads are allocated for this month and how many leads are received and what is the payment received, what is the pipeline value for the next 1 year. Everything will be visible in the dashboard itself. This deal pipeline will be generated primarily from your site visit module, and this will be really useful in order to achieve your target on a month-on-month basis. Being in real estate business, it is very important for you to understand what is the expected closure for the next 1 month or 1 year, and it is easily possible with this particular graph. Let us move to the enquiry module. From the enquiry module, you can add a new enquiry. You can also upload your existing bulk enquiry, or we have got multiple integrations and all the leads will come to the CRM directly. We have got integrations with multiple providers available in the market, and under integration settings, you will see all the available options. These includes we have got Facebook integration, Google Form integration, Suleika, Magic Bricks, Housing.com, 99 acres. All these integrations are available. In case if you want us to integrate with any new provider, you can let us know. Our support team will help you in integrating that as well. Apart from that, we have got web lead forms and chat bots. This you can create it from the CRM and add it in your website. With the help of this, anyone making an enquiry in the website also will land in the CRM directly. So there is no need for you to go and check your emails or website backend to get the complete data. All the leads will come directly to the CRM and it will get automatically allocated to the concerned sales representative or telecallers as well. When you are adding a new lead, we have provided you with default options, but these options or these fields can be customized as per your business need. If you want to add more fields, you can easily add that from the settings, and if you want to disable any unwanted field, you can also do that as well. Most of the default fields which is required for real estate business is already available in the system. Once any particular lead is added, that will be displayed in the enquiry list page, and in here you have got the option to update this lead. For example, when you are calling this lead Anurag and he is telling to call you after 2 days and he is actually interested with a particular project, then what you can do is you can add a follow-up with the next follow-up date maybe after 2 days and at what time you need to call him. And you can change the stage and status. So this stage and status is also customizable from the settings panel itself, and status also can be customized. So I'm just changing the status to site visit requested, and status I'm just changing it to spoke. So rating for now I'm keeping it as cold because he has not yet visited, and then I can write the comment whatever I want to write. That might be the communication whatever I had with the lead. So I'm just adding the comment as he wants to visit the site, plan for a site visit after 2 days, and I'm updating the status. Now what will happen is after 2 days the system will show me a reminder here, and when I click on this particular lead, it will give me an option of what is the update that I have done for this particular lead previously. In this way, there is no need for me to remember all the data because I might be interacting with hundreds of leads and I don't know what is the previous communication that I had with the lead, but everything will be captured here. And we have got a separate page for the pending follow-ups. In the pending follow-ups, it will show how many follow-ups that I need to perform for the day. And for the admin, it will show the entire pending follow-ups so that even if a user misses the follow-up, admin can easily see, or the team member can easily see and remind it to the sales team members. And the most important thing is again bulk upload, because most of the real estate agencies might be collecting leads from various third-party providers, and you might want to upload all these leads in bulk. With the help of bulk upload option, you can download the sample format, fill the data and import it to the system in one click. You can also allocate these bulk uploaded leads to your executives directly. In case if you want to reassign multiple leads, then you can select all the leads in bulk and choose the executive and then allocate it. In this account only one user is there, so it is showing only that particular username, but in case if you have multiple executives, all the user details will be displayed here. Also with Solid Performance CRM, you can filter all your leads as per your various segregated data. For example, if you want to filter certain leads based on particular status, you can filter. If you want to select multiple status or multiple stages and filter, you can do that. And another most important thing about this filter is whatever custom fields you are creating. So I'll show you how you can create the custom fields. Even for a newly created custom field, you can enable the filter and that particular field also will be visible in the filter. So whatever you want to keep, you can keep all the data in the filters and segregate the data or segregate the leads in an easy manner. So if you click on this view, you will be having a basic details about this particular lead. And if you click on this view 360, you will have a complete detail about this particular lead. This includes the follow-up updates, notes, uploads, history and the logs. You can also upload any files or documents that is related with a particular lead and you can download it easily whenever required. In case if you want to add any particular notes for this particular lead, that also you can do it. And history will show the executives who has handled this lead previously and when this lead was allocated to a particular executive. And in the logs, you can see all the logs of email, SMS, calls or WhatsApp. You can also perform lots of additional actions from the view page like adding notes and uploading files. You can also decide what fields you want to see it over here and what fields you don't want to see. And with Solid Performance, another most important thing is the system will automatically show all the matching properties based on the predefined settings. Once you click on the matching property, it will show all the properties that are matching for this particular lead in this view page. In case if you want to add any more related property or matching property, you can also add that manually, which is not matching this particular filter. In case you have shown the property to the lead or the enquiry and they are not interested, then you can remove those properties as well from this suitable list. This will make your work much easier in doing site visit or anything that you need to perform for this enquiry going forward. Let me give you a glimpse of the settings page, what you can do in the settings. So in order to customize all these fields, you simply go to settings and under enquiry settings, you will be having option to customize the fields in which you can customize all the fields. Click on this and you will see all the default fields. In case if you want to add a new field, you can add, and while adding a new field you have got all the options that you want to add. You can also check out the detailed video to understand more about this lead field customization. You have got the option to enable a particular field. You can make certain field as mandatory. You can list certain fields in the list page. You can also restrict edit access, or you can also hide certain fields from an executive. This is what I was talking about in the beginning, like you can customize all the fields as per your business requirement and whatever you want to see will be visible for you and nothing less, nothing more. Going back, now once a particular enquiry is interested, then what you can do is you can convert this particular enquiry into a site visit. In order to do that, click on this three dot and then click on convert to site visit. You can also convert a particular enquiry into a customer directly, or you can convert an enquiry into a site visit and then from site visit you can convert them into a customer. Everything will happen in one click. When I click on convert to site visit, all the details whatever is there in the leads or the enquiry module will get transferred directly to the site visit module. So there is no need for you to fill these data again and again. So I'm filling all these details and then click on save site visit. So now once this is saved, it is moved to site visit module, and if you go back to enquiry module, it will change the status automatically to convert it to site visit and there won't be any more action buttons here. The reason is going forward you will be updating everything in the site visit. That means this enquiry has moved on to the next stage. Going forward you will be making all the updates in the site visit module only, and if you click on view, in here you will also see all the previous update that you have done it in the enquiry module. For example, this update we have done it in the enquiry module, and when we convert this particular enquiry into a site visit, then also it got transferred. And with site visit also we have got all the functions similar to the lead, and we have got additional functions as well. Some of these additional fields includes the value, expected closure date and the probability. Based on these three data is what your dashboard pipeline will get generated. Being in real estate business, it is not always easy to close the deal immediately. Instead, what will happen is some person might tell that I am looking out for a property but not right now, but I'll come and purchase maybe after 2 months or 3 months. In all these cases, you can put what is the expected closure date. For example, if they are interested after 3 months, you are putting some date after 3 months, and what is the expected value. They might be interested in 1 BHK, 2 BHK or 4 BHK, whatever it is. So based on that, in whichever property they are interested, you can define the site visit value. And then the probability. Based on the communication that you are having with the lead, you will get to know how much they are really interested or how much they are planning to buy. So what you can do is you can put the probability as 50% or 80%, and based on this, the deal pipeline in the dashboard will get generated. And as I told earlier, with the help of this, you can easily estimate or forecast your future closures as well. And another important advantage in site visit is you can also include multiple executives for closing a particular deal. This might include a telecaller as well as a field sales executive or a site visit manager or whoever it is, so that both the person can see the data and they can perform the follow-up updates. You can also perform follow-ups and all other actions as similar to the Enquiry module with the site visit, and you can have a different stage and different status for site visit. Because since these are already interested people, you can have a different flow like site visit completed, a negotiation stage, booking done, and so on. So once a person makes a booking, then you can convert this particular site visit into a customer as well, and all the details will get transferred to the customer module. Now for a customer, you can create payment vouchers or invoices in case if you want, and you can also create multiple support tickets for a particular customer. In case if you want to create a payment voucher, you can simply click on create voucher and then you can enter the details for what they have made the payment and then click on create payment voucher. Once it is created, you can download this in a PDF format or you can send it in WhatsApp directly. You can also manage multiple part payments in this, and the system will also show when is the due date, and in case if there is a delay in making the payment, it will also show what is the delay that has happened. You can obviously edit and change the due date as per your requirement, and we have got multiple status, so you can manage like whether it is a first payment or second payment or 10th payment in case if you are managing it via EMIs. The project module will be really useful in case if you are a builder, because in project management you can create all your project details and you can add multiple tasks for a particular project and manage the flow of that. You can easily track how much work is completed for a particular project in case if you are having multiple projects going on in multiple locations. Under properties, you can add all your property details, and you can also define these matching criteria so that the matching properties will be shown to the Enquiry. For properties also, all the fields are customizable as per your business need, whatever you wanted. In case if you are doing residential real estate, you can customize all the fields as per your requirement, and in case if you are doing commercial, then you can again manage all the fields as per your need. You can also upload images, and you can also upload multiple images in the view page. Once you go to the view page under uploads, you can upload multiple files and keep it, so that this will be useful whenever you want to create a quotation or something in the future. Also under properties, in case if you want to add multiple sub properties, this is like an apartment is there and under that particular apartment 50 flats are there, then what you can do is you can add all the sub properties under this main property and it will show the available inventory as well. The support ticket module will be useful whenever you want to manage any of the support issues of your customers. You can also embed a support form in your website so that anyone who is filling this support ticket request will get filled in directly and will get added to the CRM directly. You can also assign an executive automatically so that it will get allocated to your support team members as well. Under finances, you can manage your income and expenses. You can also add all of your expense based on various category or income based on various category, and you can upload certain files as well as a receipt. For example, if your salesperson is going and meeting in the field and he want to claim the petrol allowance, he can upload the receipt over here so that it will get approved and you can transfer the payment. With solid performance, you have got multiple default reports. Now apart from this, you can also create a custom report as per your business need. You can check out the detailed video of how you can create a custom report as well as custom dashboard, and you will get a complete idea on how you can use this in an effective way. Moving on to users. Under users, you can add the user, and for each and every user you can assign a particular role. Now based on this role only this particular user will be having their access permissions, and you can also create and define these roles in the settings. For example, if you want to create a role called telecaller, and these telecaller should be able to see only the leads which was allocated to them, then you can restrict that and they will be able to see only the leads which was assigned to them and they will not be able to see anything else. In a similar way, a site visit manager is there and you want to assign only the site visits to them, then you can restrict their access. They will be able to see only the site visits and they will not be able to see any other's data. And if you have a manager and this particular manager should be able to see all the team members data, then you can also do that with the help of reporting function. So we have got all these access restrictions and requirement as per your need. You can also check out the detailed video on understanding the users and user roles in a better way. And last and most important thing is you can also manage your employees or users timesheet, because since many people might be working from home or they will be traveling and doing work in the site, they can always punch in using their mobile devices like when they are starting for the work, and they can punch out when they are closing for the day. The location also will get captured along with the timesheet whenever they are punching in or punch out, so that you can easily track the progress. I hope you got a basic idea of Solid Performance Real Estate CRM in this demo video. I highly recommend you to try out this CRM for free. In the description below, we have mentioned a link to get started with Solid Performance for free. When you are signing up for a free account, make sure to choose the industry as real estate when you are setting up your account, so that all this default data will get imported in your account and you can easily set up your account or customize your account as per your need. In case if you need any more assistance, you can also get in touch with our support team and they will help you and assist you in making sure that your system is working perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more useful video updates like this.